Good afternoon. My name is Bill Weisenberg. We've worked together for many years on many projects. This afternoon we're going to talk for a second why we're going to continue to work together on a very important project. This past week, myself and Don Motley, a former chair of the Taxation Committee of the Association and a former member of the House who chaired the Ways and Means Committee, appeared before a committee of the General Assembly to express the opinion of the Ohio State Bar Association on why the proposed expansion of the sales tax to legal services was inappropriate tax policy. We have written to you about it, and you have received our communication. We all understand this is bad for consumers, bad for business, and would not be in the best interest of our citizens. But we have more to do. Today we sent to you a toolkit. It contains information on how you can communicate with your legislator, on how you can communicate with your client, and how your client can communicate with his or her legislator. It's one thing for the State Bar Association to communicate directly. Now it's very important that you, the members of the association, and the clients you serve communicate to inform our legislators as to why this is bad policy, to give good examples in a personalized way as to how this would impact their lives, impact their business, cost them more. It's also an opportunity to explain why this creates an anti-competitive environment for our lawyers, in the fact that out-of-state law firms may find it very conducive to come in and try and compete with us because they can provide the service elsewhere. What we ask you to do in the next few weeks is to communicate directly with your legislators and have your clients do the same. By personal contact, this will make a difference. There are a good number of legislators who are lawyers, a good number of legislators who are small business people, just like you. So hearing from them, people you know in the community, will make a big difference. Mary Augsburger and I, Mary is your legislative counsel who works directly with me, are available to consult with you at a moment's notice. Our phone numbers, our email addresses are contained in the notice you received today and in all the information. Please call us if you have any questions. Please send us copies of what you send to your legislators. Send us copies of what you hear back from your legislators, and together we can make it known why this proposal in the General Assembly is not good tax policy, why it is harmful to consumers, why it impedes access to justice, and why it's not a good idea. We thank you for the opportunity to share this information with you. More importantly, we thank you for your continued support of the association and your willingness to work with us. I would be remiss if I didn't give some credit to others who've participated in this. This past week, the president of the Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, Carter Strang, immediate past president Barbara Roman, president of the Ohio Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, Ian Friedman, and an officer of the Ohio Association of Justice, Dan Michel, also a former chair of an OSBA committee that deals with legislative issues, all testified consistent with our message. We're united in this effort. We are going to work together in this effort, and hopefully by communicating, we will let it be known why this is not a good idea. Thank you, have a good weekend, and we hope to hear from you soon.